Origins and birth of Lakshmi. To understand the true power of Lakshmi, we must go back to one of the most spectacular and symbolic episodes in all of Hindu mythology, the Samudra Manthan, literally the churning of the ocean of milk. It is a scene so grandiose, so full of magic, tension, and cosmic energy, that even the most ambitious films fail to convey its full scope. Imagine the ancient universe, before the appearance of the worlds as we know them. Imagine an infinite ocean, not a blue ocean like those of our planet, but an ocean made of pure, luminous milk, almost liquid like light itself. This ocean represents the essence of creation, a place where all the forces of the cosmos still slumber, waiting to be revealed. And in this still young universe, one thing becomes essential. The gods have lost their power. The demons are overpowering them, the balance of the world is threatened, and there is only one solution: to extract from this primordial ocean the nectar of immortality, the Amrita. But to do this, the impossible must be accomplished. A titanic project, churning the primordial ocean. The gods and demons, enemies since time immemorial, thus find themselves facing a dilemma. They must collaborate. They must unite their forces, literally, to churn the ocean until it reveals its treasures. And that is where one of the most titanic spectacles in all of mythology begins. A gigantic mountain, Mandara, is chosen and transformed into a cosmic churning stick. This mountain is so immense that even the gods have difficulty lifting it. It is placed in the center of the ocean, but it immediately sinks. Then, Vishnu intervenes and takes the form of a huge turtle, Kurm, to carry the mountain on his back. Then, the cosmic serpent Vasuki is used as a rope. The gods pull on one side, the demons on the other. With each tug, the ocean boils, roars, and erupts. Waves as tall as continents form. Lightning tears through the sky. The mountain spins, grinds, and shakes all of creation. The churning begins. The chaos is total, but it is a sacred chaos, a creative chaos. Treasures emerge, then a light appears. As the ocean is churned, incredible things begin to appear. Divine jewels rise from the foam. Celestial creatures emerge. Magical objects surface. But suddenly, something different happens. A golden light, soft, warm, almost alive, bursts forth from the heart of the ocean. This light is unlike anything that has emerged before. It doesn't sparkle like a treasure, it radiates. It doesn't just shine, it soothes. The ocean calms. The wind stills. The gods and demons stop, unable to look away. And there she appears. The birth of Lakshmi, a cosmic moment. Standing on a radiant lotus, floating just above the water, Lakshmi emerges from the ocean. Her face is perfectly peaceful, almost timeless. Her skin glows like the gold of the sun. Her garments are woven from light. Her four arms symbolize the facets of abundance. She does not move forward. She does not walk. She simply is. She manifests as a principle, as pure energy, as an answer from the universe. For Lakshmi was not born of a god or a demon. She is not the fruit of a union or a destiny. She was born from the churning, from the primordial chaos itself. In other words, Lakshmi is the energy of prosperity that emerges when effort, balance, and collaboration are present. She represents the wealth that arises from hard work, the light that manifests after turmoil, the order that appears after chaos. This is one of the reasons why she is considered a symbol of beauty, luck, and stability. She spontaneously brings harmony where everything seemed lost. Lakshmi chooses Vishnu, the perfect union of energies. After her emergence, something very important happens. Lakshmi turns to the gods and demons, but she chooses neither of them. She turns to Vishnu. Why? Because Vishnu is the god of preservation, balance, and cosmic stability. Lakshmi is prosperity, harmony, and beauty. A stable universe without resources is empty. Resources without stability lead to chaos. By choosing Vishnu, Lakshmi therefore embodies a powerful principle. Backhand index pointing right prosperity is only meaningful if it is based on balance, wisdom, and inner peace. And there's more. In every incarnation of Vishnu, Lakshmi also manifests herself. She becomes Sita alongside Rama. She becomes Rukmini alongside Krishna. Wherever Vishnu descends to earth, Lakshmi is there, because prosperity always accompanies the preservation of the world. Lakshmi, more than a goddess, a universal energy. When we understand this from her birth, it is immediately clear that she is not simply a mythological figure adorned with jewels. She represents a universal principle. She is prosperity born from chaos, clarity born from effort, beauty born from harmony, good fortune born from balance, abundance born from courage and hard work. Lakshmi is the energy that flows when things are aligned. She is the light that appears when one perseveres despite the storms. She is the gentleness that emerges from the turmoil. This is why she is still so celebrated today, not only in India, but throughout the world, because her message transcends religious boundaries. Backhand index pointing right abundance is not a miracle. It is a birth, and it requires movement, balance, and courage. Conclusion of the section. Understanding Lakshmi's origins means understanding that prosperity is not a gift from heaven. It is a process, a journey, a transformation that arises from the union of chaos, effort, and wisdom. And this is exactly what her birth in the ocean of milk symbolizes. Lakshmi was not born from calm. She was born from turmoil. And yet she brings peace. This is one of the most powerful mysteries of her story. And it's only the beginning.